What's up, guys? It's Black Sheep here, installing my S550 brake caliper covers. I already got them on, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this off just to show you. Okay, so this rubber piece right here that goes on here, I personally had to take it off, and also I have a thick coating of caliper paint on it already, so as you can see, this part needs to sit flush with this. So you're gonna go ahead and just put it on from the top first, kind of slide it on there, give it a good push all the way around. Boom, pretty simple. Take this provided piece here, goes in between these two metal pieces, right on there, like so. Boom, that part's in. Get a little nut, slap it on the back, tighten it up snug. There's that one. Pretty simple. On this side, you're gonna want to take these, make sure it's pushed nice and close. Take these, hook them behind there. You're gonna want to hook. Boom. Tighten the nut. Maybe. Boom. There it is. S550 caliper covers. Simple as ever. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.